Life is a wild journey that can knock you down at any moment. It can strip you of your identity, leave you gasping for air, and make you wonder how you'll ever get back up. But here's the thing, it's okay to cry. It's okay to feel the pain. It's all part of the process. The real challenge of growth comes when you get knocked down. It's not about avoiding failure. It's about learning to rise again. And trust me, you will get knocked down. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes there's nothing you can do about it. But there's one thing that is entirely up to you: how you respond. You have the power to choose whether to give up or keep going. You have the power to turn your pain into something beautiful. You can recycle your pain into a powerful motivator that propels you to your goals.
Sure, life can be tough. You might have gone through a divorce, lost your job, or faced some other significant setback. But it's not about what happened to you. It's about what you do with it. You have a choice. You can either let your pain define you or use it to transform yourself. It's time to be your own hero. Stop waiting for someone else to save you. You are the only one who can save your life. So look yourself in the mirror and say, "I think I can. I know I can." Put in the effort and match the enemy's effort. When pain knocks you down, get up and say, "Is that all you got?"
I know it's hard. I know there are times when you'll want to quit. But don't give up. Take a rest, recover, and then keep going. Because at the end of pain is your reward. At the end of pain is your productivity. At the end of pain is your promise. So recycle your pain. Use it to fuel your journey. And remember, you are not weak. You are strong. You've made sacrifices and invested too much to give up. When life happens, don't just sit there and cry. Rise up and fight back. The world is waiting for you to become the best version of yourself.